Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Professor and you are watching Mr. Professor YouTube channel. So friends, in this particular video we are going to discuss about what is adverb. So what are adverbs? Simply adverbs are describing words. It means they describe how someone does something. For example, he is very slow. He is very slow. Slow describes how he does something. That information to something else in your sentence. Adverb can describe many things. For example, they describe adjective, they describe verb, they also describe another adverb. You can also use an adverb to describe a verb. How? For example, he speaks very loudly. Now, the word loudly describes how he speaks. He speaks very loudly. And you can also use an adverb to show when, where, or how often something happens. It means it also describes time, place, or manner in a sentence. For example, let's meet at 8 o'clock. Remember that adverb can be phrases. Adverb aren't always single words. For example, in second sentence we have let's meet at 8 o'clock. Now here at 8 o'clock is a phrase, not a single word. Adverbs can also add information to adjectives or even to other adverbs. For example, it was really exciting trip. Now in first sentence, really exciting trip. It's too hot in here. She works incredibly hard. Now in first two sentences, the adverb is describing an adjective, but in third one, an adverb is describing another adverb. Remember, adverbs can also do one more thing. Adverbs can also express your opinion about a whole situation. For example, she obviously the best of the candidate we have seen so far. Now, in first sentence, obviously. Now, obviously is an adverb and it is expressing your opinion about your whole sentence or a situation. Fortunately, we were able to recover most of the files. Now, fortunately, these are called comment adverbs. We will learn it in few moments. Remember that the same word could be an adjective or adverb in different sentences. It means that the form of the verb doesn't tell you either it is an adverb or a verb. Sorry, or an adjective. For example, I found the exam really hard. Now in first sentence, I found the exam really hard. The word hard is actually an adjective because it is telling about a word. For example, if I say I found it really hard, hard. And the second sentence, I worked really hard I worked really hard preparing for the exam. Now here the hard is an adverb because it is describing. The hard adverb is describing how I worked. I worked really hard. I already told you, remember that the form of the word doesn't tell you if it is an adjective or an adverb. It's unluckily that we'll be there on time. Now here, unluckily. It ends in ly, but it is not an adverb, it's an adjective. He hardly studied at all, but he got a high score. Now here, he studied hardly. It means the adverb hardly is describing how he studies. He studied hardly. After that, we have the types of an adverb. There are 5 types of an adverb. The first one is The first one is adverb of manner. They describe how someone does something: fast, lazy, or well. He's very fast. He writes slowly. He works lazily. Number two, adverb of time or place. They describe when and where something happens. For example, yesterday, here, or in 5 minutes. We will be there on. We will be there tomorrow. We will meet at the same time at here. I'll be there in 5 minutes. After that, we have adverb of frequency. They describe how often something happens. For example, often, sometimes, or never. Adverb of degree. They mostly add information to an other adjective or adverb, very, to, or a little. For example, is very slowly. Now, slowly is also an adverb, and very is also a adverb. He is too fast. He is too slow. After that, we have comment adverb. They describe a whole sentence of the situations. Unfortunately, we lost it. Basically, or obviously, suddenly. So this was the intro of adverbs, and if you have any doubt or any query regarding the topic, you are free to ask. And in the last, I just want to say thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.